Best Luxury Large Car for 2025 to 2024 Lexus LS. The 2024 Lexus LS has earned the distinction of Best Luxury Large Car for 2025, reflecting its remarkable blend of luxury, performance, and innovative technology. Lexus continues to set the standard in the luxury sedan segment with this model, combining elegant design with advanced features to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Superior performance. The 2024 Lexus LS offers an impressive lineup of powertrains designed to cater to diverse driving preferences. The base LS 500 features a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that generates 416 horsepower and 442 lb-ft of torque, providing a smooth and powerful ride. For those seeking even more performance, the LS 500h hybrid variant combines a 3.5-liter V6 with an electric motor to produce a combined 354 horsepower, delivering both efficiency and robust performance. Both models are equipped with Lexus's adaptive variable air suspension system, ensuring a refined and comfortable ride across various road conditions. Elegant design and comfort. The 2024 LS continues Lexus's tradition of exceptional craftsmanship with its stunning design and luxurious interior. The sedan's exterior is characterized by a bold spindle grille, sleek lines, and aerodynamic curves that exude sophistication. Inside, the LS offers a serene and opulent environment, featuring high-quality materials such as premium leather, real wood trim, and hand-stitched details. The seats are designed for ultimate comfort, with options for heating, ventilation, and massaging functions, ensuring a first-class experience for both the driver and passengers. Cutting-edge technology. The 2024 Lexus LS is equipped with the latest technology to enhance connectivity and convenience. The infotainment system features a 12.3-inch touchscreen with crisp graphics and intuitive controls. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless integration with mobile devices. Additionally, the LS includes advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, providing a comprehensive suite of safety technologies. Conclusion. The 2024 Lexus LS stands out as the best luxury large car for 2025, thanks to its exceptional performance, luxurious design, and advanced technology. With its blend of elegance, power, and cutting-edge features, the LS reaffirms Lexus's commitment to delivering an outstanding luxury driving experience.